Well, there's an elevator here.
And we don't know where it goes.
We don't know where it goes.
We're gonna find out.
We'll find out. This might go from here. Yep. Exclusively AMC features.
It's not open, so this elevator might not run. Maybe it does, though. I'm kind of surprised this is on.
Yeah. Really no idea what to expect with this thing.
I'm just surprised, because even the escalators going up are turned off, too, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm kind of wondering if they just forgot to lock this out.
Maybe. Let's go. We can go with 4.
You just said door open.
I did. Yeah. This is certainly an elevator. It's definitely roped. At least it feels roped.
If it crashes into something.
I don't know who the heck made this thing. It might be. It reminds me a little bit of Macy's Palisades, so this might be a MEI. Not a very good one. You want to take another spin?
I think I'm good.
Nah, I'll take one more.
We'll let Dan go.
Bye.
You get door open again.
I did hit the door open again.
That's a great ending.